Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video, and please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Alright guys, I literally was not going to film this tutorial today. I decided I wanted to do a TikTok this morning. I saw this little good witch, bad witch TikTok that I really liked, and I wanted to emulate. So I did my glam today. I of course did it with the beautiful pricked palette, and after I did one eye, I was like, dude, I really like the way this looks. I feel like people are going to be angry at me if I don't do a tutorial. A lot of you in my original review video, I will link that up here in case you guys missed it, but a lot of you wanted me to do a really deep, dark, witchy type of look. Now, while this isn't the deepest, darkest, most vampy moment, I really do like the way the colors play together. I think it's such a smoky, gorgeous vibe, and I just really love it, and I wanted to share it with you guys. But before we jump into the video, guys, did you enter my giant Jeffree Star Cosmetics giveaway yet? I have gotten such an amazing response. I do think this is my largest giveaway yet. I am so freaking excited for the winner. I'm planning on doing something really crazy this time around. There might even be more than one winner. Definitely, guys, if you haven't yet, make sure you enter that giveaway. I'll put a link in the description as to how to enter. Watch that video, figure out how to enter, follow each and every rule. A lot of people get super duper excited that they've entered, but then I realize they didn't follow each and every step, so they do get disqualified. So make sure, guys, after you click on the link in the video, follow each and every rule so that you can qualify. But without any further ado, let's jump into a tutorial using this beautiful pricked palette to get a nice dark vampy moment. Let's go. Guys, let's get started. So the first shade we're going to be going in with is right down here, Slice Me Open. I'm going to take that onto my Wayne Goss 17. I'm pretty much going to put this all over the eyelid and start to work it into the crease as well. I have primed my eyes with some Tarte Shape Tape, and then I've set that with the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Airbrush Powder. And this look, guys, I really like the way it looks. It's very simple, but I love the way it ends up turning out. So we're just going to haphazardly put this all over. We're gonna make sure we don't take it too high because we are gonna be going in with several other colors here. Have you gotten your palettes yet? Have you gotten the pricked palette? I personally have so much enjoyed using it. I've used it every single time I've done my makeup so far since getting it, and I really like it. I think it is so beautiful. I absolutely love the tones in here. I haven't done like a really vampy dark look with it yet. I know I could go darker and vampier, but this is my spin on that. I feel like it's really fun, really wearable, and why not? So we're just continuing with that Slice Me Open shade, and I'm just putting that all over my eyelid. All right, once that shade is to about here, we're ready to dip in with our next color, and that is gonna be this beautiful shade here, Vitamin C Word. This time we're gonna be going in with a smaller blender with that Vitamin C Word shade. This is my Wayne Goss 19, and we're just going to run this along the top of that red color we just laid down. And we're just working on diffusing that out, and it's gonna look so beautiful once we add the dark. I cannot believe right now I am literally sitting here getting glam to do a freaking TikTok. I cannot get enough of the app. I know a lot of you haven't converted yet, but like I literally, the other day, actually yesterday, Instagram went down. I didn't even freaking notice because I am on TikTok so much. I go there to post on my Instagram. I love to keep up to date with my posts on Instagram, but other than that, I don't find myself gravitating towards the app anymore. I hate how polished and perfect everything is. I love how TikTok is so real. How do you guys feel? Definitely let me know. Oh, and if you're not following me on TikTok, I'm gonna link it in the description section. If you're on there, follow me, take a look. I post really silly but fun stuff, so just take a look. So I'm continuing with that Vitamin C Word shade, and I am just literally doing little circular motions, as you can see, and just going over top of what we laid down, but on the rim. Once we're here with that Vitamin C Word shade, we're gonna dip now into that beautiful red color that is this beautiful shade here. And I'm gonna take that onto that same Wayne Goss 19, and we're gonna go right into that crease and just start really deepening and working on the blend. So guys, how has your fall been so far? Are you enjoying it? Are you doing all of the fall things? Let me know. Fall is absolutely one of my favorite seasons. Aside from the absolutely phenomenal fashion, I just love the weather itself, how it's like a little chillier. Oh, so good. Do you guys have any fun fall plans? I might go to the pumpkin patch. My sister wants to take some photos this year of the family, so we might just do that. But let me know, guys, do you have any plans? I love it when you talk to me. This eye look is so freaking simple. We're actually almost done with the shadow portion. So what we're gonna do now is dip in with this shade here. Oops. What we're gonna be doing now is dipping in with this shade at the bottom here. I'm gonna take that Deadly Intention shade on this teeny tiny blender. This is my Sigma E36. This is so good for detail work. I don't have very many Sigma brushes, but this one is absolutely bomb. So we're gonna be taking that Deadly Intention shade and we're gonna keep it right to the eyelid and kind of etch out the crease we want. I know it looks crazy now, but I promise it all comes together. And we want to make sure we don't bring this color too high because we're going to be going on top with the other colors we use in the crease to blend it so that it kind of diffuses out like this. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot to bring this up. The Halloween mystery boxes. Who's getting one and who isn't? I, for one, you already know, I have to get them here on this channel. I'm gonna try to go for every single tier. I want to do an unboxing, of course, for you guys. I love the mystery boxes. I love the hype around them. I love how excited you guys get for them. And the favorite part is for me, a lot of the stuff that because I own a lot of Jeffree Star Cosmetics already, so stuff that I get extra, I always put in giveaways and you guys go bananas for it. So really, it's a win-win for all of us and I can't freaking wait. But are you guys gonna be picking it up? I want to know. Let me know again in the comments. After we've taken the Deadly Intention shade to about here, what we're going to be doing now is dipping in again with that Slice Me Open shade, very lightly in between that black and our crease. We're just going to start to blend it out. See, like, that is what I love about JSC shades. Like right now, any other, for me, any other eyeshadow that I would use right now, it would be like a puddled, muddy mess. This just like it just works. It is so user-friendly, these shadows. I can't rant and rave enough. All right, once we're here, we're almost done with the eyeshadow look. We're gonna dip one more time into that Vitamin C word shade, and we're gonna go over the really top of everything just to make sure that color peeks through and it really helps the blend of everything else. So we're gonna do that. How simple was this eye look? I know it's not for everybody and it's not the most complex, intricate look, but I really do like that my looks are approachable. They're for everybody. Like for me personally, I'm scared playing with dark colors like this. Like I don't feel like I can blend them the way I want, but when you approach it in this type of way, it just makes it fun and it honestly looks pretty. Like I really like it. All right, once we're here, we're pretty much done with the eyeshadow portion of the look. So simple, so easy, but I love the way it looks. So what I'm gonna do now is quickly hop off camera. I'm gonna throw on my lashes and liner. For that, I'm gonna be using my Too Faced Better Than Sex liner. For lashes, I'm wearing Lily Lashes in the style Doha. I'll be right back to show you guys what everything looks like. All right, guys, lashes and liner are on. I am loving the way this Vampy moment looks. It's not the darkest moment. Like, okay, would I wear this maybe to work? No, probably not. But it is such a deep, dark, fun moment. Really fun for date night. Super duper fun to dip into if you do have this palette, and I love the way it turned out. What do you guys think of this look? I personally adore it. Let me know, guys. Do you want me to play with this palette some more? I would love to do some more tutorials for you guys. And please let me know which colors you want me to play with. What other color combos do you want to see? I've been adoring each and every look that comes out of this palette, and I cannot get enough. All right, guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I have been shying away from doing tutorials lately. I got a few negative comments and it kind of off-put me. I know, you need a thicker skin to be in this industry, but I don't know if people are as interested. But if you are interested, please give this video a like. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what other color combinations you want me to do with this beautiful Pricks palette. I really want to play with it some more for you guys. And of course, if you haven't yet, please make sure you're subscribed. It really helps me out when you guys subscribe, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye, guys.